Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your OPPO Reno 7. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Google Classroom. And hit the search button. Now select this app and we can install it. After our installation process is complete, we'll be able to open the app. Get started, select the account you want to use or add another one. I'm just gonna pick that one and press OK. Now in order to join any class, we'll need to press on this plus button and press join class. Here enter your class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the join button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.